So in this short tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram can't log in with Facebook in less than 1 minute. First thing, open the settings on your phone, open the apps manager. On this page, you will find all the apps that you have. So go to the Instagram app, click on this notifications management, make sure to enable all the notifications. Go back, click on the permissions, make sure also here to enable all the permissions, and then go to the storage or the internal storage, click on clear data, clear cache. Go back to the apps manager again, and this time go to the Facebook, click on this force stop, and now you have to do one last thing, which is go to the Play Store and go to the search bar here, search for Instagram like this, and click on this update option, because sometimes the problem is just from the update, so you have to make sure that you have the latest version of TikTok. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this tutorial until the very end.